Welcome back to Wise Academy. In today's video, I will show you how to actually make money trading Forex. Just like today, I made $2,600 trading NASDAQ. So if you want to learn how to do that, then make sure you watch the full video. Without further ado, let's get started. Also today, I took 3 losses. I took 4 losses actually today. And then I had 3 wins, but the 3 wins that I had was actually bigger than the losses. So I end up having a profitable day. I end up the day with 2,600, which is pretty decent. So today I will show you exactly how I was able to do that and how you can actually do that. You know, trading Forex is going to be hard sometimes, but when you actually have a strategy that works, everything becomes really easy. So today on NASDAQ, I was only looking for sales because I came to the high time frame, the daily time frame. I noticed that the market was actually rejecting this supply zone, this really strong supply zone. So like what I had to do now was just I had to go down to the lower time frame and see actually what's actually happening over there. So I went down to the H4 time frame, and on H4 time frame I saw the market was actually trading on the downside. As you can see, the market was actually creating lower lows and lower highs to the downside. So that was another indication that the market, it might actually be close to actually reversing and change the trend, because we know the overall trend is actually bullish. So but at the moment it looks like the market is actually getting ready to actually have a reversal. So when I saw this, I went down to the lower time frame again. You know, I just keep on going down time frame by time frame to actually get as many confluences as I can. On the hourly time frame, I didn't see a lot over there. The market was actually just being choppy around this level, and I did not like the way it was actually moving over it. I like to trade when the market is actually moving. You know, I don't like trading when the market is just consolidating. I feel like most of the time when I trade in this type of market, I always get stopped out. But when I'm trading, the market is actually moving like crazy. That's when I actually have my best days. So I was not interested in taking a trade on Tuesday and Monday too. I didn't like everything of it. So, but today, this morning, I woke up and just a very good setup, and I was like, I just have to take it. So let me show you what I saw when I woke up this morning. So I think I was on a 15-minute time frame. Yeah, I was on a 15-minute time frame. And most of the time when I'm trading NASDAQ in a New York session, I like to use this indicator that I call it session. It's called session. Yeah, sessions. So I like to use this indicator because it just shows me exactly what's happening in the New York session, because I only trade this strategy in the New York session. So I will come to this indicator that's called sessions, and I will only check the New York session. As you can see right here, I only check New York session, and I will turn off Tokyo, Sydney, and London session. So my New York session actually started at 9:30, but mine, I started trading New York session at 8 to actually 1 p.m. So I only check New York session, and then what this indicator actually has helped me is that I'm only trading when the price is actually in this red zone. So if the price get up this red zone, I'm not gonna be trading. I'm just gonna get off the trade and just call it a day. But every time the price is actually in this red zone, that's when I'm trading. I'm gonna show you the example on the previous day. So yeah, yesterday I didn't trade, but if I had to trade yesterday, the only time I was gonna be trading is when the price was actually in this zone right here. As you can see, every time the price is actually in this zone, the market tend to move like really strong. As you can see, the market was actually consolidating all this time, but that just when it got in this zone, you see it started moving like crazy. I'm gonna show you even one more example. Even right here too, the market is actually moving slowly, and then when it got in this zone, the market started moving crazy. That's what I like. That's what I like to see when the market's moving crazy like that. That's when actually I had my profit days. So when I woke up today around 8. So I woke up at 8 and price was actually moving down here. So what I saw, I drew my Asian session high and my Asian session low. So my Asian session high was this level right here, and then my Asian session low was this low right here. So what I mean by the Asian session low and the high. So this is the highest the price went on the Asian session. As you can see, the price didn't go higher than this, that in the Asian session. The Asian session starts probably, my Asian session starts at 1 a.m. in the morning, and then it finishes probably 7. So as you can see, the price didn't get higher than this. And also for this low, I drew this low because this is the previous Asian session low that we had in the market. But the actually real session low was Asian session low was actually around this level right here. I just drew this level just in case the price actually showed me some really good movement. Then I was gonna be looking for a way to take a trade. So when price got to this level right here, Asian session high, what that means? That means all these people that were actually selling, they probably put their stop loss above this level, and the price actually stopped all of them out. So literally after the price stopped all of them out, I started seeing like reversal signs. I started seeing like a really good candles that shows that the price may actually start to reverse. So what else I did, I went down to the lower time frame, and on the lower time frame, on the 5-minute time frame, that's why I was looking for my entries. The market was actually very volatile, so it was so hard for me to find an entry over there. So I had a FOMO, fear of missing out actually, and I was like, I need to go down to the lower time frame, which is actually the time frame that I enter most of my trade, especially when I'm trading in the New York session. So I went down to the 1-minute time frame, and what I was looking for, I was just looking for very good engulfing candle. So as you can see, the price actually took off the Asian high around 9:49. We created a very beautiful candle, and then when I saw this candle right here, this candle is actually a very good candle for a confirmation to the bearish side, because it shows a wick to the upside, and the body of the candle is actually really big, and we don't have any wicks on the downside. This candle, most of the time when I see this candle, the price tends to move in the direction this candle is actually looking. So this is a bearish candle. So seeing this candle at this zone, this candle didn't happen just like at a random zone. This candle happened just as the price actually took off the Asian high. So after this, I saw this candle. I wanted to see another candle that will break the previous bullish candle. So when I saw this candle right here breaking the previous bullish candle, as you can see right here, we had this breakout of this bullish candle right here, and that was enough for me to enter the trade right here. And I did not wait for that long, so I entered the trade right here. I was aiming for 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, and then just when the price was actually around this zone, I closed because I was overall in profit. As I told you before, I started my day pretty bad because I took 4 big losses. It was just 2 positions that I entered, but I entered 2 positions at the same time. So it was just 4 positions that I entered, but I entered like 2 trades. So it was just 2 positions at the same time. So yeah, after that, I took 3 more positions around this level, and I was able to make all my money back plus 2,600. So I was happy for the day, and I decided to call it a day. So let me show you the trade that I took before actually taking this big loss and why that actually happened. So it was around this level. So I came to the chart and I saw this level. So I thought maybe, oh, the price might actually start dropping from this level right here. But the price didn't want to do that. So I entered literally instantly right here. Just after when I saw this wick right here, I entered right here. I should at least move my stop loss to break even, but I was just a little bit selfish and I was greedy. I wanted a lot of profit. So my stop loss was around this level. Yeah, I had to be stopped out like around this level, but I kept on moving my stop loss. So I just decided to close when I was actually deep in a drawdown. So I decided to close, and then I waited for a better entry. And after that, actually, I was able to find this very good entry right here, and I was able to make all my money back plus 2,600. Yeah guys, so that's all for today. So it's been a long time since I uploaded a new video. By the way, this is another trade setup that I actually didn't take because I was happy with the profit that I had. So that's all for today. If you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.